Hey everybody, glad to see you here. So in this video I would like to show you the best Elevenlabs alternative which you can use for free. So the name of this text-to-speech service is Hailuo AI. So I think you heard something about this service and today we will talk about it. So how to open up this service? Just type in the search box Hailuo AI and go to the first website. And this is how it looks like. On this website, at the very top, you can find three tabs: video, chat, and audio. Now we need to click on the last tab, and this window will appear. Speech synthesis. So on this page, we can easily convert text to speech. And now I wanna try to show you how to do it. So in this big window, we need to type our text. For example, let's type something here. For example, let's type here, "Hi, my name is Nick, what's your name?" Okay, and now on the right side, you can find a lot of cool settings. Firstly, you can change voice, and by the way, you can listen to an example voice here. Just click right here.
Will never break you if you hold on.
Okay, and of course we can
to what you-
change this voice. So how to do it? Just click on this button, switch voice, and now you can filter all these voices because there are a lot of cool voices. Let's select another, for example, this one, calm woman,
Hello, I'm delighted to
and just click on the use button. Okay, and now we can customize our voice. For example, voice modifier. Here you can change these parameters, for example, deepen, stronger, and so on. You can turn on robotic or, for example, lo-fi telephone. Just listen how it works.
Hello, I'm delighted.
Yeah. And by the way, here you can change emotion to happy, you can change speed, pitch, and volume. And after that, just click on the regenerate speech right here.
Hi, my name is Nick. What's your name?
Of course, you can easily download it just by clicking on the download button at the bottom right. Click on this icon. And you can see that now I can find this audio file on my PC. So, but be careful because you can only generate up to 5,000 characters per month right here. Of course, there is a history. You can find the necessary audio file. And the last thing is model. So there are two models, Turbo and HD. I advise you to use this one because it's of higher quality, but the second model is faster. So it was a short tutorial video about how to convert text to speech with Hailuo AI. If you have any questions about this service, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer on them. Hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.